everyone! Today we're making macaroni salad. Here's the list of ingredients. You can also find it in the description box below this video, along with links to the items I use to help me make this dish. You're going to start off by adding 1 tablespoon of salt to boiling water, and we're going to add elbow macaroni. You're going to give it a quick stir to make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom. And we're going to let this boil for around 10 to 12 minutes. Here's a trick. You leave the spoon on top so that if it boils up, when the bubbles hit the spoon, the wooden spoon, the bubbles go back down and it doesn't boil over. You want the macaroni to be al dente, which means it's still firm to the bite. You want to drain it and rinse under cold water to shock the macaroni and allow it to stop cooking. Make sure to drain the elbow macaroni very well. You don't want soupy macaroni salad. And you're going to add it to the serving container you will be using. I'm using an aluminum tray because this is for a party. To a hot pan, we're going to add our pineapple chunks along with 8 to 10 tablespoons of brown sugar. We're gonna let this reduce and caramelize at a medium heat. In the meantime, we're going to take 2 cans of Spam and we're gonna chop them into small cubes. So you wanna get them into little bite-sized pieces. So our pineapple chunks are almost ready. You can see they've already started to caramelize, but you want to make sure all the liquid has evaporated from the pan. They're going to turn a light brown when fully caramelized. Once they've cooled off, you want to add them to the macaroni and spread them out so that the whole container gets little pieces of everything we're adding. We're adding the diced ham, and we're gonna add a full bottle of mayonnaise. And you wanna stir everything together and make sure everything is mixed and combined thoroughly. Take your time with this process. Once you've combined everything, your macaroni salad is ready to be served, or if you're making it in advance, you can cover it with aluminum foil and pop it in the fridge until ready to be eaten. Enjoy!